In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Sheets to n8n. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's dive right in. The first step is to open your browser and navigate to console.cloud.google.com. This is where we start setting up everything we need for the integration. Once you're on the Google Cloud console, you'll notice a project dropdown at the top of the screen. Click on that and select New Project. This is where you'll name your project. You might want to call it something like n8n Sheets Integration. After you've entered your name, go ahead and click Create. Now that we've created our project, make sure to select it from the drop-down menu at the top. This is important because we need to work within the context of the new project we just created. Next, we need to enable the Google Sheets API. Go to the left sidebar and find the option for APIs and Services. Click on that and then select Library. In the search bar, type Google Sheets API and select it. You'll see an option to enable it, so go ahead and click Enable. Now we're moving on to the OAuth consent screen setup. Go back to the left sidebar, select Credentials, and then click on Configure Consent Screen. If prompted, choose User Data. For the App Information section, you'll need to enter an application name, something like n8n App. Use your email for both the user support email and developer contact information. Once you've done that, click Save and Continue. Now we'll configure the scopes. Click on Add or Remove Scopes, and scroll through the list until you find the specific Google Sheets scopes relevant for reading, writing, and modifying spreadsheets. Make sure to check off those boxes. After that, click Update, and then Save and Continue. We're not done yet. Because your app is still in testing mode, you'll need to add test users. Click Add Users and input the Gmail address of the account that owns the Google Sheets you want to access. Once you've added it, click Add and then make sure to hit Save and Continue. Now it's time to generate the client credentials and redirect URI. Go back to the Credentials tab and click on Create Credentials at the top. Select OAuth Client ID. For the application type, select Web Application and give it a name. Scroll down to the Authorized Redirect URIs section. This is where we need to switch to n8n. Open your n8n workspace and create a new Google Sheets node. Choose the OAuth to Credentials option and copy the unique OAuth redirect URL that's generated inside n8n. Now, return to Google Cloud, click Add URI, paste the n8n redirect link into the field, and then click Create. You should now see your client ID and client secret displayed on the confirmation screen. Be sure to copy both of those. You'll need them shortly. Finally, we're going to authorize in n8n. Head back to your n8n configuration window and paste the client ID and client secret into their respective credential fields. After that, don't forget to click Save. You should now see an option to sign in with Google or connect my account. Clicking that will launch a Google Authentication tab. Log in using the test user email you added earlier. You might encounter some unverified app warnings, so just click Continue, grant the required permissions when prompted, and finalize the authorization. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Google Sheets to n8n. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out more tutorials for helpful tips and tricks.